Welcome back to CarScope, your window into the future of performance and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into a car that's not just turning heads, it's flipping the script on what a modern super sedan can be. This is the all-new 2026 BMW M5, and let's just say BMW didn't come to play. The 2026 M5 marks a radical shift in philosophy. Yes, it still packs jaw-dropping performance and signature German engineering, but this time it's been re-engineered from the ground up with electrification in mind. And before you panic, no, the soul of the M5 isn't gone, it's just evolved. Under the hood, the new M5 combines a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with a high-performance electric motor, giving it a combined output of over 718 horsepower and nearly 1,000 newton-meters of torque. That's more power than the outgoing M5 CS, and it's available every single time you step on the throttle. This hybrid system is derived from the BM Hybrid V8 LMDH race car, and yes, it shows. You can feel the motorsport DNA in the acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour, just under 3.5 seconds. And thanks to the electric boost, mid-range power is instantaneous and brutal, but here's the kicker, it can also run silently. On pure electric mode, the M5 offers around 40 miles of emission-free driving. So whether you're commuting through the city or carving up mountain roads, you've got options. This is versatility and violence in one sleek package. Design-wise, the 2026 M5 is aggressive but mature. Wider fenders, deeper air intakes, and sharper lines give it presence. It's bold, but not overdone. The kidney grills are large, but they're functional and integrated much better than in recent BMW designs. And those quad exhausts? Still very much alive. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream. A curved display stretches across the dash, running BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. Carbon fiber trim, sports seats, customizable ambient lighting, it's luxury meets track readiness. And yes, you still get a dedicated M-mode button to unleash all that madness with a single tap. Handling flat through corners. The MX drive system with rear-wheel bias ensures the fun factor hasn't been compromised. In fact, with the additional torque vectoring from the electric motor, corner exits are even more explosive. So what's the takeaway? The 2026 BMW M5 isn't just a faster M5, it's a smarter, sharper, and more adaptable version of the legend. It respects its heritage but isn't afraid to evolve. For enthusiasts who feared electrification would kill the thrill, this car says otherwise. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is this the future of the super sedan done right? Or is BMW straying too far from the M5's roots? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because here at CarScope, we bring you the most exciting cars the moment they drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.